Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing yet again another first impressions. Excuse my voice, I do have serious cold. I've been sick for about a month now. It's been going around my house like crazy, yep. But besides all that, I gotta film, you know, because I always gotta work. And this is also a hobby of mine because I love doing these videos, love doing my makeup, but you know, when you're sick, it's like, ugh. You know, but yes, I want to stay consistent, so I got to keep filming and keep going so I can get myself out there so you all can keep seeing this face and subscribe. I am trying to reach my 1,000 subscriber mark. I am at 54 subscribers right now, so if you please can like, comment, share this video, and subscribe, that would be great. Yay, there goes my phone. So yeah, so we're gonna be getting into this video. So we're gonna be doing the first impressions on the Covergirl TruBlend It's Lit concealer. And I am very excited to try this. So I am going to be using it with the Covergirl TruBlend foundation that I've been using non-stop, and I'm a big fan of this. So hopefully this and this goes well together. So we will see. I mean, just because it's the same brand as that and the same stuff, well, it's not the same stuff, but it's supposed to go with the foundation, I guess. Doesn't mean it has to necessarily go with that foundation, but I'm gonna try with that foundation. Maybe it won't work. Maybe I'll need it with another one. Who knows? But yeah, so I got, it says Covergirl TruBlend It's Lit Brightening Concealer Pen. Skin looks more radiant, and I got mine in the shade 200 Lights. So the claims say, high definition pigments conceal dark circles and signs of fatigue while concealing imperfections. Eyes look immediately more rested and rejuvenated. Well, good, because I need that today, because I've been sick for so long and all in through here, it hurts so bad. Doc says I got sinusitis. So yeah, guess so. My phone's going a little crazy right now. So yeah, anyways, so yeah, let's take it out the packaging and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it's the Covergirl TruBlend It's Lit. This is the packaging. This is what it looks like. Open it up. I'm not a big fan of those, I will be honest, but I can always put in the back of my hand, put a brush, put, you know, and then you just twist it and that's how it comes out. But before we use this, we gotta get our foundation on. So I already got my eyes done, as you see. So I did use my 35B palette to get this look, and I am wearing new lashes. Yes, you see it for the very first time. I'm using something other than the Kiss 11 lashes. I'm using the Ardell 3D Faux Mink. Number 853 lashes. And that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Don't mind that in there. That's from what I've cut, from what I have on my eyes to measure them. And I also applied this new glue that I just tried with these lashes. The Duo Brush on Adhesive Glue. The green one. The green Duo one. My camera don't want to pick that up. Now I like this glue because it has like the brush, you can brush it on, and it's so much easier, and it has like an iridescent color on the lash line, and then when it dries, you don't see it no more. That's how you know it's sticky, which I like this one, honestly. Before I was using the pink Duo one, which is waterproof, and I would put too much, it would get everywhere, and it will be black, and it's too much for me. So yeah, is that it? Oh, nope. And another new product that I'm wearing on my eyes. It's probably a little messy because my kid has literally been preventing me from filming this video for about 3 hours now. He wanted McDonald's, mommy ordered McDonald's. Doesn't want to go play. Like, I don't get it, he just wants to be in here. I get he loves chilling with mommy, but this is my time, let me just film. Let me film, like, oh my God, this kid is up. But I love it, I do, I love being a mom. I can't even lie, I do. Anyways, so I am using, this is the very first time I'm using, the only products I've used by them is lipstick. I own their lipstick, and I haven't even used it. Let's be honest, no, I haven't used them. I got 3 of their liquid lipsticks and I have yet to use them. So I've actually never used this product, this brand, until today. So I got the Scandaleyes Thick and Thin Eyeliner, up to 24-hour wear, long-lasting, waterproof, smudge-proof. And that is by Rimmel. And that, I actually liked it. It's a little different. The tip is not a straight felt tip. It's a little thick, but I did like it. But let's dive right into this video. All right, we're gonna get our foundation on and get into this right now in 3, 2, 1. So we're gonna get into our primer. We're gonna use one heck of a Blot, the Soap and Glory primer. I just started using this on my last couple of videos and I am loving this. It really is a good primer. When I get a new product and I do a first impressions, I like to literally wear it for like a couple of weeks straight, month, whatever, just to test the product out, see if I really like it. Cause you can't know after the first time using it or the first couple times using it. You need to try it a couple times. These lashes. They're on. All right, so we're gonna go in with the Covergirl TruBlend Matte Made Foundation, and mine is in the shade M30 Honey. Now I feel like I lost some of my tan, my color. So hopefully this isn't too dark, you guys, because it's getting cold again. So, and I haven't really yet. I think I'm still good. I feel like I put way too much up. Alright. All right, so we got a foundation on. Time to get into this concealer. I got a brush right here, ready just in case. Now I'm hoping this is not too dark, and I'm hoping it's not like white. Let's see, guys. I guess think that's what it looks like inside. Let's see. Oh my God. Take down, jeez. Did I get it to affect it? What? Oh, there we go. Ooh, you guys, looks a little dark. Shoot. Looks a little dark. Can you see that? All right, here goes nothing. Oh, okay. There we go. Oh, okay. Okay. I actually like, ooh. I haven't had, not good experience with Covergirl so far. That's why I don't buy them. I feel like if you don't, like if you don't, I feel like if you don't keep turning it, that it will wipe off your foundation. So maybe next time a brush, like put it on like back of your hands or like candle top or glass, something, and then using a brush maybe. Because I feel like when the tip gets dry, like with no more foundation, I feel like it's like wiping everything off. And I'll try to blend this in fast. Wow, the same thing. This is why I don't deal with CoverGirl, honestly. Alright, so with the CoverGirl TruBlend, when I applied it, it applies great. I love it. The only thing I don't like about it is when you even with the beauty blender, the brush, anything. That's why, yeah, I like the beauty blender better, because with the sponge, even with the sponge or the brush, you can see white specks. I don't know if you heard anybody say the white specks. So, okay, sorry guys, my camera died, but I'm back with full battery. So let's set it before I can't take it anymore. So we're gonna let that sit for a minute. We're gonna use a new powder though. We got the Rimmel Stay Matte in the shade Silky Beige number 5. Now I've heard everybody talk about this, so you know I gotta use it. But while we let that bake, we are going to contour it up. And I want just a light subtle one. Because basically, I just want to try this concealer. It's all about the concealer. We're going to dive into the Rimmel and wipe this bake away. I like it. It smells like a baby. We're just going to put that everywhere else. We didn't bake. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back in a sec with a completed full face. Alright, so we are back with the full completed look. So this is it. I did use it with the CoverGirl TruBlend. And it looks good. I like it. It looks pretty good. It's not too thick, it's not too runny. It's a good consistency. It's a good formula. Let's just hope it doesn't crease too much because, I'm gonna say too much because I've yet to find a concealer that doesn't crease. Have you? So yeah, I'm liking it. I did use the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick from the last video because I'm loving this color. It's just a very natural look. It's perfect for fall. Like, it's just perfect, especially for winter. Perfect. And it dries so quick. I literally just put on. Look, nothing. It lasted a long time too, so that's why I liked it. But yeah, this is the completion to our full face. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Help me hit my 1,000 subscriber mark. Please, 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 please. I am gonna try and be as consistent as possible and keep uploading for all of you. So yeah, thanks again for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscription box below. Click the subscribe button right down here. Click the bell right next to it for more post notifications from me, and that will let you know when I post new videos every other day, hopefully, because that's what I'm gonna try. Or if not, 3 times a week. Ready? Thanks again for tuning into my channel. I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.